More in? You don't think there's enough?
No.
Let's take a look. Seems to be erupting pretty well, our fog volcano. Well, my eyes are showing me a lot of amazing detail that this camera does not seem to be able to grab. I can see a lot of swirls and things in the fog that this camera's not getting. It might not be fast enough. But, pretty neat looking. Yes, this is our newly decorated kitchen, flooded with fog. If I break up some more, will you put it in with the tongs?
No.
You won't?
You put them in.
But you have the tongs in your hands. You'll be able to do it very easily. Well, okay, that settles that.